Okay, we got a 2014 SS Camaro. Trying to get the hood open with the cable broken. You can go through the grill with a rod, stiff rod. Looks kind of like this. There's a spot on the latch. I don't know if I can get it in the focus or not. I'll try to come through here. If you look up there at the latch, right along in there, you can get that tool right in there and pull, and the hood will pop open. Okay, it popped loose right there. It's a little bit of a struggle, but it's better than destroying the car. Okay, recap. Stiff rod with a little hook on it, right in the edge of the hood latch. It's so difficult to even see. Right there. That first hole far to the right is where I went in to pop it.